Hi everyone, it's Wendy. I got some mail I forgot I was getting. Um, which is actually kind of nice because it's kind of a cloudy, dreary day here. I wish it would just become spring. I've seen robins out to beat the band. I've even taken a couple pictures. But you can't really tell they're robins because they wouldn't cooperate. Um, but I got my monthly kit from Scrapbooking with Me. And this is a monthly subscription. If you do it every month for a year, you get a free kit. You also get a discount on everything you buy in the shop. Um, they have a Facebook page called Scrapbooking with Me that you can join and see all kinds of neat projects and new products and that. Um, they have some great design team members that do amazing things. And they also have tutorials specifically for I think they do. I think I've seen it made with the monthly kit. So this is the monthly kit for April. Make sure there's nothing in there. Yeah, my husband walks in and says, it says do not bend. What'd you buy that was breakable? I didn't buy anything that was breakable. As far as I know. So this is everything you get. Got some cardboard for something. All right. So this is what you get. I can't remember the name of these. They're by Prima, and I think they're by Prima. But I have a whole set of these, but it's nice to have replacements. So, and this is such a pretty color. And yes, I did peek, and this really goes well with the paper. Brutus Monroe stamps. There's a large rose here. And then you have different sayings. Have a beautiful day, Mr. and Mrs. To have and to hold, happy blooming birthday. For my special friend, you are in my thoughts. So you can use this stamp and these sayings, you know, for like wedding cards, a birthday card, a thinking of you card, even a sympathy card. Then you got My Mind's Eye Bliss, and there's 63. It's a 63 count mixed bag with gold for accents. And sorry for the glare. Let's see if I can minimize the glare a little bit. There we go. A lot of wedding things. And the thing is, I actually have to make a wedding album, a couple of them. I need to make a small one and a large one. And I think this paper line, because of the amount of paper in it, would be perfect for a small one. Then you got some petaloo flower, botanical floral, and these are fairy rosebud. Pretty. Then when I saw these, I was like, "Ooh, cool!" These are like mirrored cutouts, and I used some on an album. They were feathers, and I alcohol inked them. And there's a couple in here I would alcohol ink. The hello I would alcohol ink. The bow I would alcohol ink and use it on another album. But the bliss, the love forever, the diamond, the hearts, and the and I would use on a mini album just as they are. So considering I could put pink alcohol ink on it. Then you got one sheet of glitter paper. And when I saw this, I'm going, okay, is this stuff going to come off? It does a little bit, but not enough to be concerned about. But that's pretty. Now we're on to the paper. And this is Bliss by My Mind's Eye. You get 6 sheets of double-sided cardstock paper with gold foil accents and a coordinating sticker sheet. Yeah, my sinus infection is still hanging on. Though it's not so much the infection as the tickling in the back of the throat and the coughing and the phlegmy voice sometimes. Oh well, it happens once a year. I should be happy, I guess. Okay. So like I said, I think this would be perfect for a small album. I would do a 6x6 with it. You got this big word love. Yes, I'm looking to see if it's fit on a cover. Well, if you did 6 3/4, if you did the cover 6 3/4, that would fit. This, that's pretty. I'm going to zoom in just a little. Okay, so you can see that's 6-sided. Excuse me, 6-sided dark pink on a light pink. Then you have these kind of, I wouldn't say they're gray, they're more like a sage green. Ooh, and that's what the polka dots look like, that green there. So if you can find some cardstock paper to match it, you could actually extend this out. Then pink kind of bubbles. Isn't that pretty? See, you got 2 pages right here. Oh, that's pretty. And again, you can do 4 pages if you do 6x6. Then you got a stripe and the hearts. And I think I actually have some paper kind of like this from My Mind's Eye. Now, stripes, you know, are a subjective thing. Some people like them going up and down. Others like them going side to side. And you know, I think it depends upon your page plan. And there's another stripe, which is sage green, and then the big roses. See how shiny those leaves are? Okay. So, oh, almost forgot. And then here's the sticker sheet. Nice embellishments to put on, and I will back these with a slightly larger piece of cardstock and use them. I don't glue them all the way down, so that way they can slide the pictures down. Pretty. He said, she said, together. Oh, you know what? That would make a great cover. Take this, he said, they've got an and up here, and she said, use the 2 together. He said, she said, he said, and she said 2 together. Cool. Okay. Or there's this other and here. All right. So, with shipping, it came a little over $40, which is not a bad price, considering when you price everything out, you actually get a pretty good deal. Because I know in the stores, this type of paper pad depending upon the store, we're running anywhere from $10 to $19. Normally this size is usually about $10 in the big box stores. And that's all you get is this. But I like it. And they include these little edgings that you can use for trimming. Whoops. Yeah, it's by My Mind's Eye. If I wanted to do a bigger one, I'd almost have to get another pack. Okay. That's the problem sometimes with these kits is you see the paper, you want to do, you know you can do this size album with it, but you want to do a bigger album with, so, oh, I got to buy more. I got to buy another pack of that paper. This I would use for accents. And then, of course, I mean, you've got everything here to make a whole album and decorate it. Right there. Except for the chipboard and the cardstock. But, I think a cream would look really good with this. So, remember, this is from Scrapbooking with Me. It is their monthly kit club. If you join and do a year, you get a free kit. And then you also get a discount on all the other stuff that you order. So check them out. And they're on Facebook. See you later. Bye.